produce plants, animals. Okay. So if you manipulate a gene or manipulation of a gene for the or the manipulation of an organism at genetic level for the benefit of mankind is your biotechnology. Okay, right? Manipulation of gene for the benefit of mankind is your biotechnology. So last time, many of you were not present. So we studied biotechnology revolves around your central dogma of molecular biology, right? So you have DNA, right? कहीं कोई शक हो तो बता दो. Then you have RNA, good. And then you have so this is your central dogma of molecular biology. Everything revolves around it. Okay. So your gene is present in the DNA. It's a fraction or a fragment of a DNA or nucleotides that produces a diffusible product. Okay. So, so your DNA harbors the gene. That means a part. Okay, like ये बाजू है, it's a part of me, right? Right. So I have like Mrs. Z. Nairi. Sana? Sana Nairi. Mumai gives bazu nisa, right? Can I tell her that okay, give me for a while your one arm? No. So it's a part of me. Okay. So if I'm the DNA and it's my arm, so the gene is a part of the DNA. It's a set of nucleotides that codes for a diffusible product. Earlier, we used to say that gene is a set of nucleotides that expresses into RNA or a protein. Gene is a set of nucleotides that code for proteins. Protein ही बनाएगा ना? जो ये आपका part है, this is your expression. This is your gene. It's expressed. So it's expressed. First, it's transcribed. Okay. So transcription. And then RNA is translation. So this is your central dogma, right? But you know that in viruses, RNA can also make DNA. Reverse transcription or feminism earlier was called, but now we don't call it as feminism because of the scientists that discovered it. And also DNA can replicate. So all your biotechnology revolves around this. If you want to do something, do with the DNA or the gene, and then you have the protein that has a desirable trait. Right? Like golden rice. So what's golden rice? Simple biotechnology यही है. इसका हमें खेलना है, that's biotechnology. Right? And this is the whole central dogma of molecular biology. All the processes in the living organism, they revolve around this only. So for example, we have this golden rice. What is golden rice? Anyone? Vitamin A fortified rice. Right? So actually not vitamin A fortified rice, but not vitamin A fortified rice, but so this is your rice grain, right? So there were two scientists, Ingo Porticus and Peter Bayer. Okay, they designed golden rice one. Now we have golden rice two also. बात समझ में आ रही है सबको? हिंदी मीडियम से कोई? ICR, Hindi medium, you all understand English, right? Right? So, Ingo Porticus and Peter Bayer, they were two scientists that developed golden rice one. Okay, so this is the rice grain we eat, right? So the rice we eat, it does not have vitamin A, right? It has vitamin A, little bit of vitamin A, okay, in this region. We call it the aileron region. It's rich in fats, okay, and vitamin A is fat soluble, right? Water soluble. Which are the water soluble vitamins? B and C are water soluble. Rest are all fat soluble. So this vitamin A is present in the aileron region, though in minute quantities. But the rice we get to eat, it does not have that. Why? Anyone? Why? Okay, I am saying that this outer region of the rice, aileron region, what we call as, this is the endosperm, right? That we eat. It does have vitamin A. But the rice that we get in the market, it does not have this. Why is it processed? ड्राई से क्या होगा? पॉलिश करते हैं, क्यों? Why do you polish rice? No. Why do you polish rice? We polish rice to remove this aileron region, because this aileron region, as I said, is rich in fats, and fats get rancid with time. Fats get rancid, सड़ जाता है, घी सड़ जाता है, because with time fats get rancid. We need long term storage for rice, for transportation. So if you have this aileron region, what will happen? Rice सड़ जाएगा, so the shelf life will decrease. That's why you have to polish the rice, right? मेकअप के लिए नहीं राइस को हमें पॉलिश करना है, ओके, किससे करना है? टू रिमूव दिस. तो उस चक्कर में क्या हो गया कि हमारा जो है, जो न्यूट्रिएंट्स वगैरह बहुत सारी अच्छी चीजें थी, वो धुल गई. नाउ वी डोंट हैव दैट. सो and world was suffering with the vitamin A deficiency syndrome, we call it VAD. Okay, it's present in India and mostly in Africa, right? So vitamin A deficiency syndrome, इसी में अगर विटामिन की कमी होगा, क्या होगा? जरबथैल्मिया, नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस, ओके, तो बहुत सारी चीजें. तो साइंटिस्ट ने सोचा, व्हाई नॉट मेक अ राइस दैट हैज विटामिन ए इन इट्स एंडोस्पर्म. So what they did, they made this golden rice. So vitamin A as such is not in the endosperm, but a precursor of vitamin A, that's your beta carotene. This is the color of beta carotene. Carrot is rich in beta carotene, that's why it's that orangish color. Tomato is rich in lycopene. So you have lycopene. बात समझ में आ रही है? And lycopene forms beta carotene in presence of एंजाइम लाइकोपीन बीटा साइक्लेस, वहां पर क्या है? लाइकोपीन बीटा साइक्लेस। ओके, सो टमाटर लाल इसलिए है क्योंकि ये पाथवे यहीं रुक जाता है। तुम्हें दिख रहा है पीछे? और सीज बोर्ड श्योर, you with the specs, sure, anyone who has a vision problem can sit in the front. मुझे दिख रहा है? मैं दिख रहा हूँ? कितने सींग है मुझे? तुमको दिख रहा है पीछे? So scientists ने क्या किया? They made a rice that can express this, that can have this beta carotene in the endosperm, right? When we eat this beta carotene or the beta carotene in the carrot, it breaks in our stomach in presence of your that HCl and everything. It breaks into two molecules of vitamin A. So one molecule of beta carotene gives two molecules of vitamin A. So वो vitamin A then is used by the body for its physiological needs जो भी है. तो उससे फिर आपका जो है ज़राथालमिया, नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस वगैरह सारा जो है वो दूर हो जाता है. Okay? So scientists designed the rice that has this beta carotene in it. Because of this beta carotene, now it's golden in color. That's why it's called as golden rice. तो उसके लिए उन्होंने क्या किया? एक तो आपका लाइकोपीन बीटा साइक्लेस एंजाइम. लाइकोपीन से पहले बनता है आपका जो स्टार्टिंग मटेरियल होता है, दैट्स फाइटोइन. That's phytoene. Phytoene. Okay. Then you have zeta carotene. Then you have lycopene, and then you have beta carotene. Okay, beta carotene, lycopene, zeta carotene, phytoene. So there's the process how it was made. They put all these genes in vitamin A and express them. हम उसमें डिटेल में नहीं जाएंगे, ठीक है? So this is one biotechnology intervention. मगर गोल्डन राइस 1 में जितना बीटा कैरोटीन था, कितना था एनीवन? कितना था? 1.6 माइक्रोग्राम पर केजी ऑफ राइस contained 1.6 micrograms of beta carotene was found in golden rice 1. Later they found out कि भाई इतना कम क्वांटिटी में विटामिन ए है कि it will not meet your daily requirements, right? ठीक है? तुम सब लोग हॉस्टल में रहते हो? हॉस्टल में कौन रहता है? खाना से ज्यादा कौन खाता है? सब एक दूसरे को दे देंगे. एक बार मैं दुबला पतला क्लास में सबसे ज्यादा खाता है तो कुछ. So if he eats 10, हमारा एक था अलीगढ़ में, जाहिद भाई एक ढाबा चलाते थे. So we have hostel, that whole system, you stay there. So एक सुबह सुबह आता था पतला दुबला उसी जैसे. क्या है नाम तुम्हारा? रफीक. रफीक जैसा दुबला पतला सा एक आदमी आया और जाहिद भाई 10 अंडे का छोटा सा ऑमलेट बनाना. आप अगर उस बेचारे को एक ही अंडा दे तो वो दिन निकलेगा उसका. तो यह है डेली रिक्वायरमेंट्स. ओके, सो डेली कितना हमें प्रोटीन चाहिए, कितना कार्बोहाइड्रेट चाहिए, कितने विटामिन चाहिए, कितना आयरन चाहिए, कितना मिनरल चाहिए, वो हमारी बॉडी को पता है कितना चाहिए. दैट्स व्हाई यू शुड हैव फ्रूट्स एंड एवरीथिंग. ओके, तो ये 1.6 माइक्रोग्राम वेरी लेस. उसके लिए आपको से 1.5 किलो चावल, 1200 ग्राम के चावल डेली खाना. और 1200 ग्राम मतलब 1.2 kg. तो कितना होता है वो? इट्स अ लॉट. हम खाते ही 100 ग्राम, 200 ग्राम, ज्यादा से ज्यादा हो गया तो ठीक है. तो देख टोल्ड कि नहीं कि भाई इसे बीटा कैरोटीन इतना नहीं है, ये फेल हो गया. देन दे फाउंड आउट दैट ओके, ये बीटा कैरोटीन क्यों है इतना काम इसमें गोल्डन राइस में? बिकॉज द मेन रेगुलेटिंग एंजाइम, हर एक पाथवे के रेगुलेटिंग एंजाइम होते हैं, ठीक है? एक मेन एंजाइम जो कंट्रोल करता है उस पूरे पाथवे को. इसमें फाइटोइन है और ये फाइटोइन उन्होंने लिया था कहां से? Anyone? The gene phytoin synthase, sorry, phytoin synthase they took from नार्सिसस सीडोनार्सिसस डैफोडिल लिया था ना. नार्सिसस सीडोनार्सिसस इज योर डैफोडिल जिससे हमने फाइटोसिंथेसिस लिया था. ओके, इरविनिया यूरिडिवोरा से जीन्स लिए थे. फाइटोन डिसाइक्लेशन लाइकोपिन बीटा साइक्लेज. ठीक है, तो विल नॉट गो इन दैट डिटेल. So then they thought कि okay this gene को अगर हम किसी और सोर्स से ले मे बी बेटा कैरोटीन बढ़ जाए तो then they made goldenrice 2. They took phytoin synthesis from maize, from rice, from carrot, from many sources, and they found that maize has the best phytoin synthesis, जिसकी वजह से अब जो golden rice 2 बना, that had बीटा क्या vitamin A concentration of कितना 32 micrograms per kg. That's a lot. Okay, 23 fold increase हो गया. ठीक है. So now the populations that are vitamin A deficient can have this.